Hey guys, welcome back to Gadgets Daily. In this video we see all about Redmi Note 13 series, so don't skip the video and watch till last. Guys, Redmi Note 13 mobile is about to launch on November 2023. The phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate 6.67-inch touchscreen display offering the resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, Full HD+. Redmi Note 13 is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus processor. The Redmi Note 13 runs Android 13 and is powered by a 5000 mAh non-removable battery. The Redmi Note 13 supports 33 watts fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Redmi Note 13 on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 108-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel camera, and a 2-megapixel camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 13-megapixel sensor. The Redmi Note 13 runs MIUI 13 is based on Android 13, and supports storage expansion. The Redmi Note 13 is a dual SIM mobile that accepts nano SIM, weighs 173 grams. It was launched in black, blue, and silver colors. Connectivity options on the Redmi Note 13 include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5.10, infrared, and USB Type-C with active 4G on both SIM cards. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass magnetometer, gyroscope, and fingerprint sensor. This is for today. See you next time. Thanks for watching.